How to upload videos on Facebook page. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to upload videos to your Facebook page. Number 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to the Facebook website on your computer or log into your account. Number 2. Go to your Facebook page by clicking on the Pages tab on the left-hand side of the screen and selecting the page you want to upload the video to. Number 3. Once you are on the page, click on the Create Post button located at the top of the page. Number 4. Select the photo video option. Number 5. Choose the video you want to upload by clicking on the Add Photo Video button and selecting the video from your device storage. Number 6. After selecting the video, you can add a caption and customize the privacy setting for the video. Number 7. You can also add tag, location, filling, and other information to the video by clicking on the relevant icons located below the caption box. Number 8. Once you have done with the editing and adding information, click on the Post button to upload the video to your Facebook page. And that's it. Your video is now uploaded to your Facebook page and your followers can view it. Depending on the size of the video file and your internet connection, it may take some time for the video to upload. Thank you.